Tony, 2020, Ceratizit Group, we're at your main head office in Sheffield. Now, we know you're great innovators of tooling solutions, over 100,000 products in your gigantic catalogue, but 60,000 of those are actually ready to be delivered within 24 hours. But you've got something new, up to date. It's obviously a new brochure, but I've not seen this before.
No, Mark, as you say, we've got obviously the big catalogue that everybody knows about. This is now our latest products and innovations every 6 months in an up-to-date brochure, so we can keep customers up to date with all the latest products that we're releasing.
Now, I know there's a few products we're going to talk about today, but you've just shown me a fantastic demo of SilverLine, and that product's been in the marketplace for over 10 years. You've been very successful with it, but tell me a little bit about the benefits and what you've gone through to actually get it even better.
As you say, Mark, it's our best-selling solid carbide product, SilverLine, top-performing tool. It's really amazed us, to be honest, the next level we've taken it to. We've done many things, not just one thing. We've employed now dragon skin coating onto the product, which is unique to ourselves. We've increased the core strength of the product to allow us to get better chip removal and clearance. So there's a few things that we've put together into one improvement that's led to a significant improvement. The tests we've done live here in Sheffield on this XYZ machine, we've had over 60% increased tool life and metal removal rate on titanium and stainless steel, and over 50% on steel. So it's been really, really quite impressive.
It's amazing that you can actually give me those figures, isn't it? You've got a very successful product and you make it nearly twice as better.
Honestly, it's took us by surprise when we've done the live tests here in Sheffield. We obviously got the statistics from our HQ, and we thought there's nothing better than testing it ourselves here against the old SilverLine, and that's exactly what we've done, and the improvement is absolutely astounding, to be honest.
I mean, we will feature on SilverLine again, but talking about the actual catalogue, what benefits are there for your customers and potential customers to actually receive this type of catalogue now?
Well, this just keeps everybody up to date with the latest product news. Obviously, it's available from their local technical sales engineer or by calling the office to receive a copy. In this brochure in particular, obviously we've got SilverLine, which is the main launch, but we've also got a product called Multi-Lock, which is an exchangeable head system, very cost effective for people. Rather than buying the full solid carbide tool, they can just buy the head with different applications. We've got also what was in the demo was a CCR uni tool for people that have employed trochoidal milling strategies. Very impressive tool and very much worth looking at for customers. And then also in this one, it's packed with new products. We've got a new universal turning grade, CTPX 710, which can be used by customers across all materials. Very good in stainless steel, but can be adopted across all materials. So if customers are looking to rationalise tooling, they can focus just on CTPX 710.
Well, some amazing products there, but more to the key to engineers, especially in the UK. Have you got stock, and where do you hold it?
We hold all our stock in our central distribution centre. It's one of our key service advantages for our customers. Order by 6:30 at night, guaranteed before 12 noon next day delivery. All the product that's in this brochure and our catalogue is ex-stock.
That's quite amazing, because that's in Germany, Kempten, isn't it? Which obviously you've taken me to. That's just really impressive, the way you can get tooling delivered in the UK that quickly. So a lot of this is in stock and it's ready to go.
It's ready to go, Mark. It's all on stock. So customers, if they talk to their local technical sales engineers, test the new SilverLine, test these new products in their machine shops, see the benefits that it can bring, and then obviously it's ready to be shipped overnight for next morning delivery.